Okay, I just got done opening up a box of the new 2013 Press Pass Ignite Racing. There are at least 2 hits per box on average, and here's what I got. Start off with an Austin Dillon black and white top speed parallel, numbered to 50. Pulled a Bobby Labonte Hot Threads 2-color fire suit patch, numbered to 99. And my last hit of the box was a Trevor Bayne Ignite Ink blue ink autograph, numbered to 99. This is actually the first time I've ever seen Press Pass use big sticker autographs. I'm not really a big fan of the big sticker autographs. They usually have on-card autographs. Alright, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.